YouTube, y'all know what the fuck going on, man. We back in the kitty. So look, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive, man. I gotta go to the crib, so you know, get y'all, you know. Yeah. Y'all know how it's going, man. Nigga need a wheel alignment. That's definitely what I need right now. Yeah. This ain't gonna be long, man. I'm gonna do like a 5-minute POV or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, sir. Stop playing with me, shorty. Stop playing with me, shorty. Leaving shit. Stop playing, bro. I gotta really stop playing like that. You know what I'm saying? But I don't like when people try to. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Nigga real life he's trying to stop trying to ride with me, folks. Sure they wanna ride with me, but he can't. Goof out. But nah, we green, man. Lovely day outside in Texas, man. We are living the American dream. Fuck you talking about? You know. But damn, that light pole hanging down. That shit wild as hell. That bitch hanging down. But so look, yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a POV till I get to the E-way, man. Just something for my subscribers. I love y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for supporting and tapping in and locking in with your boy. Ooh, we got a nice 5.0 right here. Nice 5.0. Yeah. Sounds good, buddy. Don't sound like mine. Fuck you talking about? But yeah, so man, y'all know, we got mods coming to the cat. Theme rap coming to the cat, so everybody stay tuned, man. This is something y'all don't want to miss. Content, that wine is just ridiculous. I got 5-inch tips just added, man, so if y'all seen the video, like, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't seen the video. Yes, sir. Stop it. Stop it. I tell them stop it, you know? Quick little POV for y'all, man. Nothing too heavy, lightly but politely. Look at us. Nah, we going nuts though, man. All 2023, the rest of 2023, 2024, 2025. Y'all know what I'm saying? I'm taking this YouTube shit by storm, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna stay active. You know, we gonna keep everything going, keep it rolling. I thought my shit was broke or something. That's the reflection. But yeah, we chilling, man. I had to let the windows down because I got that 5-inch tent in the back. So in the front, the back cool, but I got 5-inch tent, so I gotta make sure 5% tent, bro. I'm hot. It's hot as hell. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's 100 degrees outside, man. But yeah, man. So I'm just doing this for y'all, man. You know, quick little POV. Just out. Fucking getting to the crib. Trying to get home. You feel me? We went 3s today. But yeah, man, so like, comment, subscribe, man. I ain't really got too much to talk about. The scat will be getting sold very soon. I want to give me something else. I think I want to do it like LS or some shit, so I don't know. I'm gonna see. But for the most part, y'all see, like, I'm in love with the cat, man. Kitty. Kitty is crazy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all know how this shit go. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Talk to me, baby. Yo, Stacy. talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, baby. My car name's Stacy, and she a white girl. I'm having paper, I know this shit solution. Hey, y'all, shout out to Stunner EBK, man. Seduction, that's my shit. I'm having that on repeat right now. Y'all tap in. If it's windy, I won't know, because I'm driving, so, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, sorry, my bad, I seen a cop, so put my camera down. Yeah, we gone, man. We on the way to the crib. Oof. Yes, sir. So I said I was gonna talk to y'all until I got to the expressway. That's what I'm doing. It's 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes. This wasn't nothing like too heavy. I was just giving y'all a little POV, you know. Letting y'all hear my cat. You know how she get down. She really be talking, barking and shit. How you got a Hellcat and she barking? That don't make sense. Cat just be barking all day. She indecisive as hell on what she want to be, what she want to do. But yeah, man, we chilling. Want to let y'all hear that new exhaust. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram, SRT Noski, same as my YouTube, man. We got a reaction channel coming soon, man. I'm gonna do car reactions and all type of shit. Like, we're gonna do a lot. Video reactions, and, you know. Y'all stay tuned. Ooh. Shit. Yeah, that's it, man. Let me get off the camera.